Hey y'all, yes, it's me again. I'm totally crazy. I just woke up. So I'm trying the viral milk snacks. I know I'm kinda late on this trend. But I got the ice creams. I got mango. And then I'm trying these frozen wafer sandwiches, which is another kind of Asian ice cream. I guess we'll try this one first. Frozen wafer. There we go. Okay. Okay. Well, this is good. Like strawberry ice cream with on the soft ice cream cone. Okay, that was good. Okay, I'm gonna try these next. They nasty, I'm gonna tell y'all, they nasty. Like, and do what they look like in the pack. So here we go. What it look like a soft, airy, something. It smell good. It smell good as hell. They pretty good. It's like honeycomb, really. It's like honeycomb. That was good. I give them a 9 out of 10. Sorry, I know I sound like a grown ass little man, but baby. full of happiness. What to say? All right. Okay, yeah. I was supposed to eat it still with a little box up under, but I guess I must have got that for kids. It's nice creamy mango ice cream in the inside. The outside some kind of chocolate or really thin fondant or something. I don't know. This one good. The ice cream the right texture. Mm-hmm. Mm. I guess it's a 10 out of 10. The milk thing is a 9 out of 10. And that wafer ice cream was definitely a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend these though. I highly recommend this one. And I recommend the milk thing. Hold on, yeah, because I feel like this and the milk thing go good together. So I really feel like this will go good together. So I'm gonna try it out, right? Okay, so boom, we're gonna try this with this. Yeah, I can get the first bite. Yeah, man. Okay. Everyone in for another bite, y'all. So good together. Yeah, I think I literally paid like $14 for three of these. It's three coming to pack. It was 12 or $14, something like that. These were like $1 and something. And the milk things were like $6, $7. So it really ain't that expensive. If y'all thinking them little ice creams is expensive. No, I actually spent, oh, excuse me. Yeah, I spent like $14. But it was good, y'all. 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and a 10 out of 10. Run, don't walk. Yeah, they just taste like the little cereal, you know, honeycombs. A softer honeycomb, you know. So yeah, y'all. Now you know I ain't lying about these being good, cause baby, this is my third one. You know, it smells so good. That smells so good. It smells like a freshly baked vanilla cake or something. Y'all, let me go get in the bed because I gotta be up for work in the morning. Till the next one. Bye. Thank y'all.